Now that I have cut out my 3 shapes, my daddy shape, my mommy shape, and my baby shape, I am ready to make some stamps with my shapes. Your teacher is going to give you some black ink to work with today. You get to roll it out onto your tray to add to your stamps. So I don't want to take my brayer, this is called a brayer, I don't want to take that and stick it right in here and roll it out. I just need a little bit to start with. So I'm going to dip it in just a little bit, and I'm going to bring it down here and start rolling. I want to make an ink rectangle right down on the bottom here. So notice I have to pick up as I keep going rather than just back and forth like this. Change directions a little bit. I should be able to hear a Velcro sound when I'm about ready with my ink. So listen closely. Does it sound kind of like Velcro? I can also look, and the texture on my ink should look a little bit like an orange peel. I can also look at my brayer, and all the way around, I should see black ink with no white spots left over. That means I'm ready to add my ink to my stamps. I'm going to move these out of the way. I'm going to start on my big shape. I'm going to put it on here. I don't want it on top of my paper yet. And I'm going to roll my ink onto my shape. Now it might take 1 or 2 times, maybe even more, to get on there, but I want to make sure there's a nice even coating of ink. And when I think I have enough, I should probably add 1 more layer on top just for good measure. Now I don't want to set my brayer down right on here with all the ink on it. I want to flip it over onto the back, and it can sit like that. And now I'm ready to take this. I'm going to flip it over with the ink down onto my paper. I'm going to give it a nice, good, hard push onto my paper so the ink goes on. And then I can lift it up, and I should see a shape. Now it's a little light, so maybe next time I need to add more ink to it. I never print twice with the same stamp because all of my ink is now on the paper. I need to put more on. So I'm going to roll again, listen for my Velcro, and I'm going to roll it on 1 more time. Make sure I'm getting all the way to my edges. Really good. Flip it over onto my paper. I'm going to continue this process on all 3 sizes of my shape, filling up my space and even making some of my shapes go off the side of the paper.